400,000 deaths a year. This is the third highest cause of deaths in the US. It is caused by the misdiagnosis of disease, a staggering $60 billion on the wrong and duplicate tests and on lawsuits. This is the situation in US. The situation could be much worse in India. We propose a new idea here using the concept of accountable care organizations powered by SAP HANA, where a cloud-hosted solution shall be created and maintained, where all the information about the patient ailments, their examinations, procedures that are performed, the medicines that are prescribed, the lab test reports, and the doctor's diagnosis information, etc., gathered from the different sources like hospitals, pharmacy, clinics, insurance, chemists, shall be maintained and used for further analysis. The solution, we name it as Cloud ACO on SAP HANA. Some of the salient features of the solution are golden hour care for patients, immediate patient data capture during consultation, a mobile app where a patient can find out the nearby hospitals, clinics or doctors and book an appointment for the same, the analytical capabilities for all the stakeholders who are involved in the ACO.
An ACO registered patient, when he falls unconscious, can be identified easily using our NFC-enabled mobile app. Every second in the golden hour is crucial and identification of the patient becomes imperative. The app will provide information like the past history and the other vitals like blood pressure, blood sugar, blood group, and also will talk about the primary ailment which the patient is having and also the allergies, if any, and the emergency contact and the last doctor that the patient has visited. When the patient is not in an emergency situation and he visits a hospital, then a log on to the SAO portal will provide general information about the patient and also all the historical information which can be used by the doctors to do an effective diagnosis and advise further procedures. Blood reports, X-rays, scan reports can also be viewed directly from the screen. Current visit of the patient and further diagnosis and procedures performed will also be recorded immediately by the end of the consultation and will be added to the history. ACO portal will also show the information about doctors and insurance organizations. A mobile app is provided to the patient which will provide the details of the last ailment, the diagnosis, examinations, next steps and the appointments. The patient history will provide the complete ailment details. Any blood reports, X-rays, scan reports can also be directly viewed from the screen. The patient can search for a new hospital, pharmacy, clinic, doctors, etc. on the Google Maps. An appointment with the selected doctor can be done for a convenient time of both the doctor and the patient. The massive data so captured from SAP HANA can be analyzed using SAP Lumira to identify patterns and trends. For example, list of all diseases affected across age groups for a particular city by aggregating data across all the states. A far more specific inferences can also be identified like top 3 diseases affected in 2 locations within Bangalore for a specific period between July 2014 and September 2014. A better epidemic management can be done by finding how many people are affected in how many days for a particular disease. For example, 62 people are affected in 86 days with gluten enteropathy. Thus, our solution, Cloud ACO on HANA, helps every stakeholder involved. Patient gets accurate diagnosis every time. Doctors get continuous patients, faster diagnosis, and better medication. Hospital labs and pharmacies get a holistic view of the patients. Insurance companies can provide optimized policies, thereby reduce spending. Government can manage epidemic better and an aid for better healthcare policies. Thank you.